Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So as you know, I already have some history with this MySQL repair tool from Stellar, and I did like 2 episodes for these guys, and finally now they have a web solution. Up to now we have been dealing with a desktop solution, but they heard my advice and now we are dealing with web application. And what that means, you literally have a broken database, you upload your database, and they do entire repair process for you. So you just click on the button, you select your database file. In here you are going to find ibdata1 file, select that one, upload it, and click on upload if you trust this website. This is structure of your database. Click on upload. Let's see, yeah, it's uploading. Now this is on fast forward. Yeah, we are analyzing database and repair process. Alright, we are generating preview and done. Now just click on preview. You are going to see tables on the left. You are going to see also some fields. Not all of fields can give you some data. Alright. Let's check some other field. Now I'm going to scroll down. Okay, I'm clicking on table and table looks quite well. As I said, not all of fields are populated. Tables look fine. And final table, yeah, it looks quite fine. But if we click on save database file, you can see that I already used my free credits. So guys, as I said, Stellar web app is finally on the market, and if you feel free, check it out.